Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python's AST Library. Introduction. The AST, Abstract Syntax Tree, module in Python provides a powerful and flexible way to work with the abstract syntax tree of Python source code. It allows you to analyze, manipulate, and generate Python code programmatically. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of the AST module and demonstrate its usage through code examples. Conclusion. The AST module in Python provides a powerful way to analyze, modify, and generate Python code. By understanding the structure of the AST and using the AST module's functions and classes, you can automate various code-related tasks. Experiment with the provided examples and explore the possibilities of the AST library in your Python projects. ChatGPT.